Are sizzling in the recession at Oak Brook-based McDonald's. The fast food giant says its same-store sales jumped 4.3% last month as frugal consumers look for ways to save money on eating out. McDonald's sales here in the U.S. climbed more than 2.5% because of its new McCafe espresso-based coffee products. The Federal Reserve begins its two-day meeting on interest rates today. It's widely expected Ben Bernanke and company will keep rates at historic lows near zero. Even though all signs are pointing to the recession ending, the Fed knows the economy is still in a fragile state. Unemployment is a major concern. Investors will be looking for any hints in the Fed's policy statement about an exit strategy from the unprecedented steps it's taken to shore up the economy. On Wall Street, the bulls are hoping to recharge the 5-month-old rally that has stocks at its highest levels, up 50% from their March lows. The Dow starts the day off 32 points. The Nasdaq eased back 8. Roseanne?
Okay, we've heard about this quest to build a car with super high gas mileage, but it sounds like it's pretty crazy.
Yeah, Roseanne, how about 230? That's the number of miles per gallon GM's battery-powered Chevy Volt will get for city driving. The Volt, which is scheduled to hit showrooms next year, will be the first mass-produced vehicle in history with a triple-digit fuel economy rating based on new EPA federal fuel economy tests for plug-in electric vehicles. That's more than 4 times that of Toyota's Prius hybrid. GM is scheduled to announce the rating later today. Roseanne?
Well, that would be something if they pull that off.
Hello, good morning to you, Roseanne. Schaumburg-based Motorola is expected to have racked up more red ink last quarter. The company is due to report a loss of 4 cents a share this morning on sales of $5.6 billion. Motorola's cell phone division has been struggling for years, unable to come up with a hit follow-up to the Razr phone. But analysts say change is coming. The company will release its new smartphone just in time for the holidays, which will run on Google's Android operating system. 3 Dow components are on deck to report earnings today. Insurance giant Travelers just reported profits of $1.27 a share. ExxonMobil and Walt Disney are also due out. Investors will also be watching the latest weekly unemployment report due before the start of trading. The number of Americans filing new claims for unemployment is expected to have risen to 585,000 in the latest week. Taking a look at the numbers now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average starts the day down 26 points. The tech-heavy Nasdaq was off 7. Asian markets rebounded from steep losses in the previous session overnight. Roseanne?
You know, Claire, it sounds like that cash for clunkers law has become a big hit. Do we have any numbers on how many people are in new cars now?
Yeah, actually, Roseanne, the Transportation Department is providing a running tally of that cash for clunker sales program. So far, more than 16,000 clunker owners have traded in their old fuel-guzzling cars to buy newer, more fuel-efficient ones. The government has kicked in $69 million for up to $4,500 in incentive deals aimed at reviving auto sales. The government says 22,300 dealers have registered so far to take part in the program. And what new cars are people buying to take place of their old clunkers? Well, most are still cars, but there's a lot of trucks out there too. Roseanne?
Okay.